The party was nice, the party was pumping. And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas start the name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out,
who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball, cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I man no get angry.